500 to 1,000. Dito naman, isa lang yung bumaba, tapos tumataas yung isa. Yung shift nito, bababa. Tapos, another is yung shift pataas. Ano naman yung isa? Yung isa naman, tumaas naman yung price. Tapos, ang bumaba naman, kaya yung quantity. Okay? Yun yung shipping supply. Ito nga, yung pinaka-shipping supply, isa lang, yung isa, for example, yung price tumaas with the supply curve and change, and later shifts in the supply curve with the demand curve and change. Let us now illustrate again. Ito naman, another example. Ito naman, hindi, let's say that in case of increasing demand in beauty Manila is met by an increased shipment of beauty in Manila. Now, sabihin, ito, for example, 75 pesos pa rin siya, pero tumaas yung pinaka-quantity niya.
Ito, sabay-sabay.